Okay, so welcome back to another video. I have a super easy, beginner friendly, perfect body wig for you guys. When I say this wig is perfect, it is like literally perfect. There's like no flaws about it, and so I'm gonna tell you guys where it's from. The packaging for this hair company is just so cute. This hair is from VSHOW Hair. Lately I feel really fortunate to be coming across some really amazing wigs, and this is definitely one of them. So this is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. The texture is body wave, and I have it in 180% density, and the length on it is 28 inches. Everything is accurate. It's true to length, it's true to size. The density is perfect, so I don't really have any issues there. The lace is absolutely flawless. You can wear this glueless, of course. I use very little bit of the even lace spray. It really didn't need it. Even if I just put it on my head, I probably could have just use some mousse or even some spritz to lay it down too. Like, that is always going to be my favorite thing that I love about closure wigs. They're so low maintenance, anybody can put it on, and they're just like basically the perfect everyday wigs. The ends of the hair look really good. I don't have any issues there. I didn't dye this wig jet black or anything, and all I did was pluck this wig and bleach the knots. I wanted like some very loose curls, so I kind of did like 5 curls on each side because I wanted like very loose waves rather. So I didn't leave the curling iron on there for too long at all. So I don't want them to be perfect. I don't want them to be nicely formed. I just wanted like a little bit of a wave in the hair, and that's exactly what I got. You guys, the hair is so soft. It's so easy for me to run my fingers through it. I don't get a lot of shedding with this hair. Even now, I didn't get anything. And not only does it curl nicely, but it also straightens nicely too. I think I'll probably insert that clip at the end of the video to show you guys just how bone straight it gets. It is just like chef's kiss. This wig can literally do both. And then also the lace on this hair, you guys, is pretty darn flawless if you ask me. It's nice and thin, and it melts easily, so I always love when I get a wig like that. So this wig is a 10 out of 10 for me. So if you are in the market looking for a body wave wig, I would highly suggest that you guys consider getting this one. And don't worry, I'm about to straighten it for you guys so you guys can see, but the hair does hold the curl. Is like I said, I didn't hold the curling iron on there for too long in the first place because I wanted like really loose waves rather. But I'm going to show you guys how nice and flowy this hair is when it is straightened. So this is what the hair looks like straightened. Is very nice and silky and flowy. I didn't put any type of serums or products on the hair at all. So this wig will already be linked down below in my description box. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. Like I said, no cons, all pros with this wig, so it definitely is worth the purchase. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.